Hello, my name is Sergey Korashkin. I'm a postgraduate student from Krasnoyarsk, and this slide presents a title grammatical I have chosen. Electronic motors are used to control the movable table in electron beam welding. However, today electronic motors are widely used in the fluid industry. In particular, various types of electric motors are used for the injection and pumping of beer fluid. In order to increase the resistance and strength, it is possible to connect the bimetallic ring to the rotor of electron motors by electron beam welding. On the basis of the mathematical model previous development by the authors in this work, simulation modeling of the electronic beam welding process in the manufacture of electronic motors with a bimetallic ring in the COMSOL Multiphysics environment is carried out. Electronic motors are used in the oil and gas industry. Several types: DC models, synchronous models, and asynchronous motors. The last group includes, first of all, pump, compression units, drilling system, and equipment supplement by electronic central pumping mechanics. Asynchronous motors today make up the majority of electronic machines being used mainly as electronic motors and being the main components of electrical engineering intro-mechanical. If we compare asynchronous and synchronous models, then the latter have several important advantages. First, possibility of regulation of various and correctly of the relative power indicator, available ability to function with a power rating of 1, the effectivity of synchronous models is approximately 1 to 3%, from 1 to 3% higher than that of asynchronous ones with the same power. This is explanation and loss the loss of electronic in the case, and in this data waiting for synchronous models is lower when compared to asynchronous. COMSOL Multiphysics software is an integrated environment for the numeric simulation and optimization of virtual any physical or physical schematic systems. The main use solution algorithm is the finite element method. For a number of problems, formulations are available based on the boundary element method, the partitional, but as well as patterns and ray tracing. So figure 1 shows an example of a project implementation in the COMSOL environment, namely a physical model of heat transfer. Figure 2 shows the temperature distribution when simulating the process of electron beam welding of a bimetallic ring on the basis of previous development mathematical models and the technical process used during product from titanium and aluminum alloys. Temperature distribution on the surface of the production at higher power, the beam current increased, whereas in both cases the electronic voltage was 30 kilovolts, and the same welding speed is shown in figure 3. And so in this study we simulate the heating of bimetallic ring welded using the electron beam. The simulation resulted in the COMSOL system show that the considered welding method is well applicable to solve the problem of forging a permanent join. Future implements of the proposed compilation model in the form of independent model of the electronic beam welding automation system will allow supportation the adoption of technology and decision for specific in the mathematical industry. So thank you for attention. Goodbye.